FTR vs London Writing Mo Jabari uko byarangiye. FTR Dax Harwood and Cash vs London Lightning and Mo Jabari. FTR music played and a line of security guards entered in front of Stokely, Dax and Cash. The announcers noted that security was to protect FTR from Copeland and Christian. The bell rang to start. Dax dropped Lightning with a shoulder block and then a left-handed lariat. Lightning slipped to the apron, rammed Dax's head into the turnbuckle, and then executed a slingshot shoulder block into the ring. Jabari tagged in, climbed to the second rope and came in with a double axe handle. Dax forced Jabari back into FTR's corner. Cash tagged in and dropped Jabari with a few chops. Jabari caught Dax with a enzigrui and made the tag to Lightning. Lightning charged in, but Dax and Cash were down and not moving. He seemed a bit confused and tried to pin Dax, but they were faking, and he immediately kicked out and they hit Lightning with the Shatter Machine. Dax made the cover for the win. Winner FTR. The match lasted 3 minutes. Umukino wahuzaga FTR aribo Dax Harwood ndetse na Cash barwana na London Lightning afatanyije na Mo Jabari. Indirimbo yacuranzwe, FTR bahita binjira muri sale. Abatangazaga binjiye bahita bavuga ko abasekirite baje barinze FTR kugira ngo babakize Copeland ndetse na Christian babashe kugera muri ring. Bakigera muri ring, Dax yahise akubita Lightning yikubita hasi, ubundi Dax bamusunika mu nguni. Jabari ahita yinjiramo imbere, ahita yurira ku migozi, ubundi asimbukira axe. Dax akaba yakubise Lightning akoresheje tekinike yitwa Shatter Machine, yikubita hasi, ubundi ahita amuryamira. Arbitre ahita bara, ubundi bahita begukana umukino. FTR bahita batsinda umukino wamaze iminota 3. This fight took place during the event of AEW Collision. Thank you for your time. If you have any suggestion, recommendation, or write the comment, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day. Turakubwira ko iyi mikino yaberaga muri Canada, akaba ari imikino ya AEW Collision. Koze kubana nanjye, ibitekerezo cyangwa inyunganizi wanjye muri comment, kandi like and subscribe, bakoze igira ibihe byiza.